In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to change new email sound on the following device. So firstly you have to open the settings, then reach sound right here and go to new mail. And here you've got the alert tones which you can apply and also ringtones. So let me show you just some of them. You can also enter some classics. And then you can also use ringtones. But I will pick something shorter for mail. Let me choose, for example, descent. Then let's go back, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed now. Your new mail will be alerted with descent sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.